Yo, so Doja has responded. Took her like almost 3 days, but at least she responded, I guess. She was also blocking people on Twitter while this was going on hilariously. So, this is what she said. I want to address what's been happening on Twitter. I've used public chat rooms to socialize since I was a child. I shouldn't have been on some of those chat room sites, but I personally have never been involved in any racist conversations. I'm sorry to everyone that I offended. I'm a black woman. Half of my family is black from South Africa, and I'm very proud of where I come from. As for the old song that's resurfaced, it was in no way tied to anything outside of my own personal experience. It was written in response to people who often use that term to hurt me. I made an attempt to flip its meaning, but recognized that it was a bad decision to use the term in my music. I understand my influence and impact, and I'm taking this all very seriously. I love you all, and I'm sorry for upsetting or hurting any of you. That's not my character, and I'm determined to show to everybody moving forward. Thank you. Well, that's it. And she posted that to her Instagram about an hour ago, so it's still fresh out there. So, what do you think? I don't think she's racist. I just think she hates herself, really. That's all. It's a little update video. So, bye.